How to make money from home. What's going on, guys? Rory here. Now I want you to imagine that you've gone out for dinner to this amazing restaurant and the food is just so good that all you're thinking is, I just can't wait to tell my friends about this place. It's just that amazing. Now as you're walking out the door to leave, you notice that there's a sign on the door on your way out that says earn 100% commission for every customer you refer to the restaurant. And you're just thinking to yourself, that's just insane. Of course I'm going to recommend my friends to this restaurant because the food is just amazing. Well, guess what, guys? I'm going to show you a business that actually does this. They provide an amazing product and they give you the opportunity to earn 100% commission. That's $100 US every time you refer a customer to purchase the product. And this product, guys, is going to educate you in the most profound way in how to build an online business so that you can work from home earning a full-time income. Now, if you follow along and stay until the very end of this video, I have a special offer for you. Everything I talk about in this video on how to actually be successful, how to actually generate a full-time income by promoting this product, I'm going to show you how you can have 90% of the hard work done for you with this strategy. Alright, guys, so the product that I'm talking about here is the One Funnel Away Challenge by ClickFunnels. Now, if you don't know who ClickFunnels are, they provide a number of different services for marketing and selling and creating online businesses. But one of their main products is the software ClickFunnels, and essentially what that does is it makes it super easy to create what's called sales funnels. So if you don't know what a sales funnel is, it's essentially the process of firstly introducing you or your business to your ideal customer, and then taking them through a process of them getting to know, like, and trust you, and then you also educating them on what they need to help fulfill their goals, overcome their challenges, and get closer to their goals, and then introducing them to the product that they need in order to achieve that, or to overcome that obstacle, or whatever it is, depending on the target audience that the funnel is aimed at helping. So everyone who wants to make money online needs to understand this type of stuff. This is how things, all of the biggest businesses, all of the most successful companies in the world are generating millions and millions of dollars online. So if you want to make money online, this is something that everybody needs to know. Everyone who wants to create a business, or everyone who has a business and they want to scale up their income with that business, they need to know this type of stuff. So who is this for? It's for people who are just getting started out and have no idea where to start. It's for people in a dead-end job and they want to get out and make their own business. It's for companies that have been successful, but for some reason that they're feeling stuck and they want to expand and grow. If you're someone who's really passionate about reaching more people with a specific message, or you want to solve a specific problem that people out there are suffering, this One Funnel Away Challenge is going to help you. So just to give you an idea about what you or the people you refer to the One Funnel Away Challenge will learn, essentially it's a 30-day challenge where every single day you're given actionable steps to creating your very first funnel designed to help you generate income online. So whether you do that by selling your own products or services, or whether you become an affiliate and sell other people's products and services, such as ClickFunnels products and services. Now, the other thing that you get with the One Funnel Away Challenge is expert interviews with millionaires who share their secrets on, if they were to lose it all, what they would do step by step, day by day to earning their million dollars back. So as I touched on earlier, the One Funnel Away Challenge sells for $100, and like I said, if you become an affiliate for ClickFunnels and start promoting this product, you can earn 100% commission, $100 every time someone purchases this the One Funnel Away Challenge through your affiliate link. And that's despite the fact that ClickFunnels are actually going to, anytime someone purchases this product, they also send out, you know, a physical copy of the workbook, an MP3 player, 30 days hard book cover, unlimited access to the 30-day interviews, and behind the scenes 2 Coma Club interviews. So they send out all this additional stuff and give all these additional bonuses at their own expense. You know, and the reason why they can do this is because they are such a successful company, because they provide such value in everything that they do. So now what I want to do, guys, I want to show you the advanced strategies for promoting and selling the One Funnel Away Challenge, so you can start earning 100% commissions on this product and really start dominating the leaderboards and earning a full-time income promoting this product and other products through ClickFunnels. Now, what I'll start with is, you know, what most affiliates do. So when most people sign up to affiliate programs, what they do is they get the link and then they just start spamming people, you know, throwing it out there all over the internet and everything, and, you know, just being a pest, really. And that's not how you do it, guys. So I'm going to show you how all of the best affiliate marketers are generating 6 to 7 figure incomes with affiliate marketing, and specifically with the One Funnel Away Challenge. And like I said at the beginning of this video, I'm actually going to show you how you can have most of this done for you, set up for you. So the first thing that you're going to need to really be successful with promoting and selling the One Funnel Away Challenge is you need a squeeze page. So you want to be collecting people's emails. So it looks a bit like this on the screen here. So you're a squeeze page that's targeting a particular target audience, you know, people wanting to make money online in this case, and you're giving them something for free, and in exchange for you giving them that free gift, they're giving their email address. So in this case, it's a free training teaching them how to you know, start earning money online by selling other people's products. So it's basically a free course teaching you how to do affiliate marketing, which is the process of earning a commission by promoting products and services to customers. So this entices people to, you know, hand over their email address in order to receive that free training, and then once they're in that training, you're providing them with value. You're giving them a chance to get to know, like, and trust you through the content that you're providing them, and then you're also educating them about the product that you're selling. And in this case, it's going to be the One Funnel Away Challenge, and you're teaching them how that's going to actually enhance their chances of becoming a successful affiliate marketer and enhance their chances of making a full-time income online. Now, the next thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to be wanting to have an email sequence. So you want to be following up. The main reason why you collect that email is because, you know, what they've shown in research is that it takes 7 points of contact before people actually feel comfortable handing over money and purchasing something. So you want to be building a relationship with these people, not only through the free training that you're providing them, but with the with email. So you want to collect the email and then set up an automated email sequence, going along with that theme of continuing to provide value, continuing to educate them on the product and the service that you're promoting, why they need it in relation to helping them achieve their goals and overcome the challenges that they have, and then also linking them back to the product that you're promoting. The other thing that you want, guys, so this one is really important. This is going to really entice people to actually make a purchase through your affiliate link, and that's having a bonus offer. So once someone has opted in, you know, they've handed over their email address, wanting to receive this free training, then once they're inside the training, you're not just going to be educating them about, you know, the One Funnel Away Challenge and how it's going to help them achieve their goals, but you're also going to inform them about a bonus package where when they purchase the One Funnel Away Challenge through you, they're also going to receive all of these additional bonuses. So the example that I have here is, when people buy the One Funnel Away Challenge through my affiliate link, they receive this free course, your first 1K with affiliate marketing, which is a step-by-step course showing you exactly how to make your first $1,000 with affiliate marketing. You know, it takes you through all of the step-by-step techie details that can usually be really confusing makes it super easy. You know, things like how to set up your opt-in page, how to set up your funnel, how to integrate your email autoresponder to your opt-in page, how to set up your email autoresponder. All of these different little techie things that would usually be confusing and difficult to put into place. This course will run you through it step by step. It will also give you mindset training around how to actually be successful with affiliate marketing. So this is a fantastic thing to be able to give away to people when they purchase the One Funnel Away challenge, because it's not only enticing them to opt in and actually buy the One Funnel Away challenge, but it's also going to help them complement the One Funnel Away challenge so that they can actually be successful with making money online through affiliate marketing. They also get the done for you high converting sales funnel, so they'll actually be able to download this opt-in page along with all of the free training lessons that come with this opt-in page, so that they can actually collect people's emails themselves. So when they import this, they can edit all of these details, put their own picture there, have this connected to their own email autoresponder, and then they're directed to these lesson pages that have that also inform the customer about the bonuses that they'll get if they sign up through their affiliate link. You also get to leverage the bonus package. So people who purchase the One Funnel Away challenge through my link will also be able to give this this course away as a bonus to people who purchase the One Funnel Away challenge under them. So they get to, this is what I was talking about, guys. If you purchase the One Funnel Away challenge through my affiliate link, which I'll show you how to do at the end, you can have all of this as a bonus package to be able to set up and start your own online business from home, generating a full-time income. All right, guys, so if this is sounding interesting to you at all, then I encourage you to go down to the description below, and the first link in the description will take you to this page where you can sign up and simply just start going through the free course where you will meet my mentor Zach. So he's going to teach you everything you need to know about affiliate marketing, and then if you feel like this is you want to leverage everything that I've shown you here, leverage this sales funnel and put in all of your own affiliate links within this sales funnel and set this up as your own thing, and being able to leverage this course, not only go through this course yourself but also leverage it and have that as a bonus package. If you end up wanting to do that as well, then all you have to do is go through this link, which signs you up to what's called the Affiliate Bootcamp, and then you upsell to the One Funnel Away challenge within the Affiliate Bootcamp. And then once you've done that, you can just head down to the bottom of the page underneath this big red banner here, and there's my email address there. You can shoot me an email saying you've purchased the One Funnel Away challenge through my link, and I will send you all of these bonuses, and you can start promoting the One Funnel Away challenge yourself. But not only that, go through this amazing course as well as the One Funnel Away challenge to be well on your way to creating a full-time income from home, making money online. Alright, so that's everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've gotten value from this. If you have, please hit that like button. If you want to learn, more about making money online, and in particular affiliate marketing, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. And I hope to see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.